Right, pie charts. So we've got a pie chart, children at primary school, and 15 children chose orange juice. So straight away I'm going to label that with 15 children. Got to use all the information we've got to then prove whether we agree or disagree with these statements. So half the children, first of all, chose a fizzy drink. So I'm going to underline the fizzy drinks. So I've got cola, lemonade, done. And I can see, because of that straight line, that's half the circle, so half the children. It doesn't matter how many children that was, it's just half of them. Then we've got 20 children chose lemonade. Well, I don't think that's true, because if 15 chose orange juice, that looks like, to me, it would be that many. If I moved that part of the pie chart here, that would be 15, that would be 15, making 30 children choosing lemonade, not 20. False, in my opinion, and I've proved it. 3/4 of the children chose a cold drink. Well, the only hot drink there is hot chocolate. So if we took that out of the circle, out of the pie chart, would I have 3/4 of the pie chart left? No, I'd have more. So no. False. More children chose hot chocolate, water, or cola. So we've got hot chocolate, water, cola. That area. Then hot chocolate, orange juice, and milkshake. Okay. And then my proof is, well, that must be true because the pink area is bigger than the blue area. So I'm going to say true. Next up, this question might look familiar from a carousel we did the other day. It's all good practice, but fret not if you thought, I've done this already. It really is a percentage of an amount question. So we've got 150 children voting for the favourite ice cream flavour. So I just need to find the percentage of 150 of the total. So how many voted for vanilla? Well, vanilla's blue, 10% of vanilla. 10% is vanilla, 10% of 150, 15. How many more people voted for chocolate? Well, chocolate be 30%, be 45. Then mint choc chip, that'd be 30. If I know 10% is 15, I can double it. 10% is 15, sometimes it by 3. So a difference of 15. Answer of 15 again. How many people chose chocolate, banana, and vanilla all together? So we know chocolate was 45. Bananas, 10%, we've already worked that out, is 15. And vanilla, we've already know 10% is 15. So if I add those together, 15 add 45 add 15, get 75 children. Then, I know it's small, but 200, so I need to know the total in Key Stage 2, their favourite hobbies. How many chose each hobby? So it's just what percentage, how many is 50% of 200? So reading, yellow, 50% would be 100. If I then find 10% by dividing by 10, 200 divided by 10 is 20. So I'm going to find the 10% ones now. 20, done that one, done that one. Want to know 10% is 20. 5%, I can halve it. So the 5% ones, walking, would be 10. And dancing, the green one, would be 10. The 15% ones, I can do 10%, add 5%, and give me 15%, which is 30. So I've got cricket as 30 and football at 30. Next up, a shop sells drinks. The pie chart compares the amount of money a shop took last year for water, juice and soft drinks. Took £8,264 for soft drinks, the white. So I'm going to label that 8264. And I know that is 1/4 of the circle because I'm shown it's a right angle. The sales for water and juice were equal. So if I know 1/4, I can find 3/4, the rest of the circle, by timesing by 3. 8264 times 3. 12, 18, 19. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 8 is 24. So I now know that the other 3/4 is worth 24,692. and it was equally divided between those two areas. So I'm going to do 2, 4, 6, 9, 2 divided by 2. 1, 2, I need to draw 3, 4, remainder 1, 6 to get a final answer of 12,346 for each of those areas. They'd be the same. If we go on to the next bit, just 3 questions to go. There we go. Cameraman's happy. We've got some children at Woodland Infant School, and there are 56 children in year 1. So let's label that. I need to do two things to work out, really. Is if I know 35%, so you can see, 35% is equal to 56, then I need to know what a useful percent would be. So, what this one? Cameraman says this one's wrong. What's wrong about it?
I just noticed here.
4 times 3 is 12.
6 is 19, isn't it? 6 times 3 is
6 times
18.
3 is 18. Add the 1. Oh, I didn't carry. Is that a 7?
Yeah.
Sorry everyone. Sorry. Go back. So that's now a 7. Remainder 1. Oh my days. How many 2s? That would be a 9. Remainder 1. So that's still a 6. 12,396. Do you know, year 6? That's the first mistake I've ever made showing you how to work something out, isn't it? Gasps across Totley, I know. So as we were. Thank you for that interruption, cameraman.
Sorry.
So I'm going to find 5%, and I know 35 divided by 7 gives me 5%. Excuse me. So if I do 56 divided by 7 and get 8, then I know 5%. The other thing I need to know is what percentage of children were in reception. So if I've got 45% and 35%, so far we're on 80%. Percent is of 100, the whole thing, so reception must be 20%. Because 80%, year 2 and year 1 added together, 20% makes 100%. If I go back up here, if I do 5 times 4, I get 20. So if I do 8 times 4, I get 32. So in reception, there are 32 children.